In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a super speed effect in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop menu bar, select option, choose subject, choose lasso tool, and Alt or Shift hold increase and decrease selection. Go to the Photoshop menu bar, layer option and choose new to layer by copy. Again, go to the Photoshop menu bar, window option and choose layer. Make the background color black. Layer copy. Again filter, convert smart object. Again filter, choose blur to motion blur. Angle 0, distance 200. Choose brush tool and remove unnecessary blur. Layer copy 9 times. And follow the setting. And follow the setting. Control hold, select layer and Shift hold all layer merge. Then right click and make convert smart object. Double click on the layer, choose drop shadow, follow the setting. Right click on shadow layer and create a layer. Shadow layer copy. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.